that too. What's that? Oh yeah. Yeah. And believe it or not, he's in the exact same room that my grandmother was in a year ago. No kidding, eh? Oh, I'm coming in, but I'm going to take him and say, boy, this room looks familiar, doesn't it, Dad? However, he's in the right place anyway. So how was today? He called me today to come in there. I just happened to come to shut the front door because Melissa back to school, and I looked down at the answering machine that was flashing. And I thought, well, I better look at it and here it is, and it was her. She wanted me to come in to do some cooking. I don't want to. What's that?
Take it off!
Why?
Yeah. Oh, well. I said, yeah. Yeah. Like, it's not like we haven't taken over for her.
Not yet, Daddy.
Oh, really? Holy.
Not yet. Not yet, Daddy. I gotta go. I gotta sit and sit. Can I sit?
Yeah.
Yeah, these two.
Yeah. Are you in tomorrow? Are you going tomorrow, Nate? Yeah. Steve. Yeah. Oh, look, there's two cardinals over there on the boulevard, Steve.
Whereabouts?
In between the two houses, between Pat and Doreen's and... Go down, walk down the deck. Well, you'll miss it now. One's in the tree there.
In between Pat and Doreen's and what?
Well, not, if I go, I'm not going for long. Yeah, well, it's on the corner of their porch. Oh, Nikki. Oh, God, Nikki just shut me got me all wet. No, I'm not going for long. I don't have to work the next day anyway, but I don't. I wonder if they sold me more tickets. Did you hear? Or, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's what I thought too. Like it's if there isn't many people going, it's going to be an expense out of a lot of people's pockets, or a lot of expense out of people's pockets. Well, yeah, exactly. Like they probably haven't even sold enough tickets to pay for half the team. What's that? Unless they sell an awful lot of tickets at the door. Oh well. Well, that's weird. Maybe Melissa was on the phone, Martine. I'm not really too sure. I could have been playing on the computer, but the computer's not hooked up to the phone. No, not really. I've always dreaded getting a phone call like that. I don't know. Also in the back of my mind, I've also thought that it was going to happen. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Not really because of his dad having it. Just a lot of stress, Martine. A lot of stress at my mom and dad's house. Yeah. And the house is sold. Oh, really? Yep, they offered it to all of us kids, and...
They did?
Yeah, they did, Steve. And, none of us wanted, well, I wouldn't have minded it, but I'm not uprooting my girls. They've got all their friends here and that, and, I mean, it would have been a bigger house for us, but, yeah, we all, yeah. So they tried it privately for a while, and nothing happened. They had a few people come through and that. And then they put it in real estate, and it was probably in for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. 2 or 3 weeks? Yeah. Actually, the agent come to the hospital Wednesday night. And my dad just signed the paper. Well, we almost had to. So, yeah, so that's a big, yeah. And plus Jason is still no more, well, he can't. He can't in there. So, yeah, I'm hoping that that'll be a really good jump for him. And he hasn't said anything either about cigarette, like, damn, I wish I could have a cigarette.
You might they're giving him a drug for it.
Well, Steve just told me now that I guess he's giving him a drug for it.
Yeah.
So it almost acts like he is having cigarettes?
I don't know.
That doesn't sound, that kind of sounds silly.
There's something to reduce that. Hey,
Well, Steve said something to reduce the craving. To make it sort of like the patch or something, but
yeah.
in needle form or...
Mm-hmm. They don't want him to get all stressed out, right?
Yeah.
If they're just having a heart attack.
Well, you know on the wall where they put all the empty needles after they give somebody a needle? Well, my dad's is half full. And
What wall?
on a hospital wall where they have that container where they put the empty, the hazardous waste thing.
Oh.
It's halfway full, and Mom says that's all from Dad. I said, you've got to be kidding. Dad says every time they come in and like if they check his temperature, they give him a needle, and if they check his sugar, they give him a needle. He's got needle pricks all over him.
Wow.
Yeah, they give him a needle for, and he's getting insulin. When I was there today, he had already had four needles for insulin. Probably, and that's another thing. What's that? Oh yeah, probably. They were giving him a cholesterol. He ate Wednesday night, the day that he got there. He had supper, and then he had to fast till the next morning because they were giving him a cholesterol test. So, but the food's the shits. Like my dad's not a big eater to begin with, and he doesn't eat chicken or turkey. No. No. Yeah, exactly. And that was another. Yeah, that was another thing too. Jason, like he knows the grass has to be cut. He would never come home and say, "Well, I'm going out to cut the grass for you, Dad," or like he's oh shit. Well, I don't know what the hell it is, Martin. Today, Dad, he sure knows how to make you feel guilty. Yeah. Yeah, I could just, oh. No, he doesn't need it, Martin. Jesus Christ, he could have 20.